Local Weather Authority with meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. We got lots to talk about today. First of all, there's a heat advisory. This will be in effect from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time for all our Illinois counties. That pink shaded color today. Heat index values up to 105 degrees can be expected. That's what it's going to feel like out there, so just make sure you do stay out of the sun. If you do have to be outside, try not to stay in the sun and outside hot temperatures much of the day. And then if you do have family members, just make sure to check on them and make sure to stay hydrated. Temperatures across the valley, 70s in every single place to start us off on this Friday. It's definitely warm out there, a big difference from what we've had really all week. 50s and 60s, even some 40s to start our days off, 70s, so about 20 to 30 degrees warmer across the valley to start our Friday off. 73 is the current temperature at the airport, 76 in Mattoon, 70 in Robinson, 72 in Vincennes, and 75 degrees up in Champaign. And temperatures are only going to get hotter from here on out during the day today. There are some storms popping up. None of these are severe, but there's a severe thunderstorm watch for this area in northern Illinois, parts of Wisconsin and Iowa, but there are storms firing up just northwest of the valley. We could see a couple of these earlier or later this morning. Most of those are going to pass just northeast of the valley, kind of near the Fort Wayne area, even more so north of that area. We could get a couple of sprinkles earlier in the day, kind of near Champaign, Danville area, so our north counties. And then this is what we're going to have to worry about as we get later into the day today. We do have the risk of seeing some severe thunderstorms. You can see this is about 7, 8 p.m. That's going to be when we could see the most severe weather out of this system. And then as we get later into the evening and the overnight hours, some more storms pop up, so these also could be strong to severe in the overnight hours, and that's when we do have the most risks, and that's when it's the most dangerous, just because you can't really see much outside unless there's lightning to add to that, but it is dark, so make sure you're just staying alert, and make sure you're following us on all social media pages just in case we do get those watches and warnings later, because we are under an enhanced risk. This is for today, 7 a.m. Friday through 7 a.m. Saturday. That remains in effect for much of the Wabash Valley, and then the rest of the valley, the South counties, remain under a slight risk of severe weather. So we could see some numerous severe scattered thunderstorms, numerous to scattered severe thunderstorms later in the day today. Mainly this afternoon, that's when the time frame and window opens up for us. And then over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday into Monday, that's when we do remain under a marginal risk. That is a low-level risk for severe weather, though. This is our CAPE, so our convective available potential energy, or our storm energy. You can see it does fire up, kind of diminishes just a tiny bit, but then around 10:30 in the morning, it does start to fire back up. So across the whole valley, through the heart of our area, we do see that kind of mid to higher end of the spectrum with those orangish colors and the red colors. And then it dies down overnight about 2, 3 in the morning, and then fires back up tomorrow afternoon. About 4 or 5 p.m. we see those reds come back in the area. So we'll have to watch this again. Just make sure you're staying tuned in. Follow us on all social media pages. These are our severe risks, the greatest risks, again, from about 4 p.m. to 11 p.m., maybe some lingering overnight tornadoes, maybe seeing a few. Large hail up to 1.5 inches in some areas across the valley. 75 miles plus hours winds. This is going to be the biggest thing to look out for, along with the flooding potential. This is also a big topic today, close to 100 degrees and PM storms. It's definitely going to be hot. We could break our record temperature of 97 degrees set back in 1994, or at least reach that today. 72 tonight, and Nicole, it's going to be a hot weekend. Summer starts on Sunday.
All right, thank you.